All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Midwest Chicagoland. Can you guys hear that? That is a tornado warning. This is the Midwest. We are 24 miles northwest of downtown Chicago. And yeah, by the clouds chasing me up there. Can you guys hear that? Yeah, the storm clouds. There's lightning striking. I'm feeling raindrops falling on my head. And these clouds above me are chasing me, man. Can you guys hear that? See? Can you guys see the lightning strikes? Look at that. That is like chasing me proper. That is chasing me proper. All right, let's get on the sidewalk. Make sure we're off the road. Wow. Okay, there's the thunder. There's some lovely flowers there. All right, guys. We need to scram. Everybody's scramming. Look at that girl on the poor girl on the bike. Everyone is scramming. We must scram, guys. Look at that guy. When a tornado touches down, oh buddy. And yeah, see that, guys? See that above us? Tornado warning. Look at that guy. Yeah, I mean the wind's probably about like 15-17 miles an hour, but at any minute it can go up to like 200 miles an hour. It's a beautiful home there, isn't it? All right, the raindrops are coming down now, guys, and the sirens are not stopping. So what we might do is cut it here because I need to put the phone away. Safeguard my phone. So guys, thank you for tuning in. Hasta la ciao ciao, bye for now, over and out from the concrete jungle of Chicago, Arlington Heights.